Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, at breakfast time or dinner time, in any occasion or normal day, if anyone gives you some puri and some masala potato curry sabji, it will be very tasty for you. So friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. So friends, if you see the first time video in my channel, so please subscribe my channel for getting everyday vegetarian thali or new recipe without onion and garlic. So friends, you can see that today I made the potatoes curry sabji without onion and garlic. You can try this recipe with rice, fried rice, chapati, luchi and any type of rice. So friends, if you want to see any specific vegetarian recipe, please comment me. I will try to make that video for you. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. So let's go and see how you can make this recipe. For making the recipe, first I hot some oil on a karai and gives one bay leaves and dry chili into it and fried it little more. After that I will give here white cumin into it and fried it till it become brown. After frying the cumin very nicely, then I will give here curry leaves into it and fried it little more. After that I will give here chopped tomato into it. Then I will give here chopped capsicum and green chili into it. After that I will give here salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirchi powder, ginger, green chili and white cumin paste and fried it very nicely with all the ingredients. After frying it very nicely, now I will add some ghee into it. If you add the ghee, it will enhance the taste of the sabji. Then I will give here cashew nut and peanut paste into it. Then I will mix all the ingredients very nicely and boil the tomato very nicely. After boiling the tomato little more, now I will add little water into it for boiling the tomato very nicely and boiled it for 2 to 3 minutes. After boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes, now I will add the fried potato into it, which I already fried with salt and turmeric powder. After that I will mix the masala with the potato very nicely and fried it for 3 to 4 minutes. If you fried the potato very nicely, it will enhance the taste of the sabji. Then I will add some water, how much juicy you want to it, and mix the water with the potato very nicely and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. After that I will add here tala masala into it and garam masala into it. Now I will mix the masala with the juice very nicely and boiled it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can change the juice of the gravy. If you enough, you can put the gas off and serve it on a bowl. So friends, our today's recipe, potatoes curry recipe without onion and garlic, is ready to serve. If you like the video, please share this video to your family and your friends and try this recipe at your home. Thank you.